How's it going, YouTube? Tech here. So I did this video how to fix your Armoury Crate button on the ROG laptops almost 2 years ago, and I believe it was quite straightforward and simple to follow. It did work for some, but didn't for every. So in this video, I'm going to show you again, as even the Armoury Crate has received a massive update, changing its entire UI. Well, this method is the official one like in the last video, so let's show you how it's done. So if you recognize, this is my good old 2021 ROG Strix Car 15. So let's do it. So as you can see, I do not have that software myself. If I click the ROG button, there nothing appears, but rather it shows a pop-up and says that you need to go to the website to download the Armoury Crate software. So you can simply just go to the website button here to go to that website that we are headed to. But if it does not show this for you, this pop-up, so basically you can go to any browser and search for download Armoury Crate, and here it is. And you have to just go to this first website that says Armoury Crate -support. So it could be any reason. You maybe accidentally deleted the software, maybe a virus took it off, and maybe if you sent it for a repair and that guy just accidentally or somehow ended up deleting the software, because once you reset your laptop, this software, even it belongs to the ROG and it's integrated with a whole button itself on its own. It does not just come back by default. You have to download it once again. So you have to go to the legit sources, the real ones, which is provided by Asus itself. So this is the website, of course, link in the description. So go to this website, and here you will actually find all the drivers, all kinds of tools and softwares that are essential for your laptop. But before that, you have to select which OS you are on. So 1164-bit, no, mine is on 1064-bit. And here, once you click that, you will find all the softwares which is available for your OS. So if you do show all, you will find other softwares that you might need. Well, one thing I would definitely say, that if you do have your Armoury Crate but it is bugged out or have some kind of virus that won't allow it to operate normally, and you feel like that you want to uninstall the software and re-download it again, that might fix the issue, because that most certainly would. Alright, so in this case what you have to do is download first the Armoury Crate uninstall tool. So this tool basically helps your Armoury Crate to run a clean uninstall so that it's completely wiped off your system and you can install it again. And I would say this is the most recommended way of reinstalling the software itself, because that thing entirely controls your PC. It is the official way of showing all kind of stats like the RPM for your fans and other setups you have. It also integrates with your device using the Armoury Crate app on your phone. So yeah, of course you need to keep it fine. But anyways, since you don't have it, and if you still have it, use that uninstall tool, then re-download it from the first option you see here. But if you don't have it, you're on the right track on this video. So here it is. You have to click download. You will see installation, full installation package, and these two you have to go for Armoury Crate and Aura Creator installer. So click download, and then again click. If you have WinRAR, just click OK. Never mind with this. Armoury Crate, the setup itself. Click yes. And this is the page where it will help you install the Armoury Crate software in general, and the Aura Creator, where you can customize your RGB setup for your accessories and your laptop hardware itself. So if you also want the virtual pet, well, I don't know how much of help it is, but if you do want it, you know about it, you can simply check. So I don't want it, so I don't want to check there. So click start, and it will start installing the Armoury Crate. Well, actually I've seen people commenting on my video that I uploaded 2 years ago on the same topic, and some of those problems were actually very unique to me, which I actually never heard before, much less faced myself. So like, there were some kind of problems that the Aura Creator app does not detect their keyboard, the built-in one itself. So I'm not sure why that would be even happening, but of course you can always run an uninstall tool and reinstall it again. That could fix it, I guess. And for some, Even if you do install this cleanly, it works perfectly fine. And if you click the ROG button, the thing won't pop up, the software won't pop up as upon the click. So that's weird. Like, it should be programmed to it. I don't think I've seen any settings that you could actually turn it off anywhere. So those are some kind of unique problems that even I don't know. But let's see, maybe we'll make a video if we do find any kind of solution related to it. Alright, so after the installation, you will find this page here in the Armoury Crate software. So that means it's now there with you. So you have to actually check this, I'm over 18, and then accept the agreement. Agreed, I mean. And here it will show you that what kind of library it will feature. So if you want, you can actually check all of them. I'm going to do this for the very first time myself. Alright, so go to the next. So here are some of the themes that are new with the new software, with the entire new UI, like I said previously. So I think I'll just go with the off black and simply click start using. Then it will finally show you some user account control in the Windows. You have to click I understand. Then click yes if this pop-up shows with AC setup, and now it will again install the Armoury Crate itself. So as you can see, the installation tool is working up its magic because my ROG backlit keyboard just changed itself. So that means it just went back to default while this thing is installing. So everything is starting from the scratch. So that's how it is. So once when you see this green tick, that means the installation is complete and Armoury Crate app should be accessible now. You can simply click close the app if you want to, or you can reopen the app itself. But I suggest you should restart your PC or laptop before opening this application. Alright, so I've restarted my PC. Let's try clicking the ROG button if it works. Well, of course it works. And this is the new animation of the new UI. It looks sick, I think. Yep, it definitely looks sick. So it will obviously give you a pop-up with the new features that are available now. So I think this is a new wallpaper. And of course you need to log in if you want to. Of course you can check never ask again if you don't wanna. Well, this is how it looks like. So this is the default ROG style, I think. And this is the best ever design that I have seen. Of course I was used to the previous design, but this one is really nice. The way it shows your laptop hardware on the screen and everything else. Hold on, let me just reduce the brightness, it's too much to see. I hope you can see clearly now. So it looks really well. The stats look like a proper, you could say, on a proper layout design, and everything is there. Your device, if you click your device, you can see all kinds of system configuration and stuff that you saw before. So here is the same thing. Aura Sync is where you can finally actually just set different kinds of lights for your device. So here it is, and here we have different aura effects. We don't have any new aura effects in themselves, but yep, this is how it now looks like. So here is your scenario profiles, game library, and your game visuals. Let's just see if the aura creator works itself. So let's go to the aura sync, and here's the aura creator. Click on the aura creator, and if this software opens, that means it's working perfectly fine. But of course you have to check this so that you can agree, and then click agree and it will show you this. So it's working perfectly fine. Well, there it is, guys, the Aura Creator and the Armoury Crate installation tool. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.